Do you want to start your career in web development with both front-end and back-end knowledge? Do you want to be a front-end and back-end full-stack developer? Welcome to the A2IT, prestigious technical institution based in India, where we will provide you all this training in our video series. These online tutorials that we will provide will take you through the concepts of HTML and the HTML5, which is the latest version of HTML. We will then show you how to use the CSS with the latest version of CSS, which is CSS3. We will move to the JavaScript and also cover the concept of DHTML. We will show you how to download a particular theme and make changes using the concept of Bootstrap. Along with downloading themes and making changes into the themes, we will also cover all the modules which the Bootstrap provides us. Now, if you're thinking who this course is for, this course is for all the delegates who are still studying in schools but want to make websites and start their career as a web developer. This course is also for my students or our students who are studying in universities and want to join an IT company as a web developer. This course is also for people who are already working as web developers but want to gain the knowledge of all these technologies in depth so that they can provide a quality input at their workplace. In this particular course, we will be covering how to make websites, and at the end of these video series, what we can promise is you will have got enough knowledge and confidence to make websites. You will also be trained on the full stack technologies in this particular module, and you can very easily, after completing this course, create your own websites and start working as a web developer. What are you waiting for? Join us at A2IT and shape your career and groom yourself to be a web developer. Thank you and see you soon.